Hi, I'm Jewelry Salesman 101, and Valentine's Day is fast approaching, and you need to show your love to your significant other. Don't waste your time trying to think of a gift that has any real meaning behind it. It can be tied back to a happy point in the relationship. What you need is these colorful rocks. Now let me tell you how valuable these rocks are. Rappers wear them, and supermodels wear them. That's all you need to know. Don't you want your significant other to look like a rapper or supermodel? Even though that would be really superficial? But forget about that. Let me tell you how we found these rocks. We actually sent kids, criminals, and warlords and foreign powers to retrieve them for us, with no real practice of safety involved. In fact, our competition over these rocks has seen crime in this industry recently hit an all-time high, with everyone robbing each other. Now let me just be clear, these rocks really don't have value. The only reason they have value is because we said they did. And you know what? Sometimes they're not even real rocks. They're just polished metal and glass. But you wouldn't know that because you're not in the industry. Remember, these rocks really can't be used for anything and are really just for show. But we're going to charge the same amount as a nice suburban house in a nice suburban neighborhood. Now remember, the house will grow in value over a fixed period of time. But these rocks are only based off of prices that we set in the industry and can change from one day to the next. Really just depends on how we feel this rock should be sold. Now, it's good to realize that we have vaults and warehouses full of these rocks. But like our pals on Wall Street been doing for years, we've decided to sell only a small portion per year to increase the price. Now, in our business, we thought we were doomed when predictions of a generation that will not get married or be able to hold a stable relationship was discovered. But who would have guessed that we were saved by rappers, basketball players, and social media influencers, and seniors in their endless pursuit of drip. Seniors being bored with a social security check, and we just created a TV show in which we play all day, every day, in which we boast about the importance of buying our rocks as a family heirloom. Now remember, these rocks have no real use or no real value, but you want to have an heirloom. Yes. Now with seniors buying heirlooms in a generation that's constantly chasing the next piece of clout and the next piece of drip, we have been able to grow our industry even more. And it's projected to grow even more over the next few years. This industry is going to make money off of stuff that has nothing for value. This is the best con scheme, I think, in the history of mankind. But don't let me fool you. Our marketing team has a small and simple tactic that we pretty much got from high school, in which we peer pressure you to make you look like utter garbage if you don't buy one of our colorful rocks for your significant other. Now, we also strategically placed our rock stores in malls where we'll know you'll be on a shopping high, buying stuff with no real reason or purpose, just so you can buy it. Now, let's say you somehow break through this genjutsu and you're like, oh man, I need to return my fancy colorful rocks because I don't want them no more. They have no real use. Now, we got our boy Chad from GameStop. Now, let me tell you, our boy Chad from GameStop will offer you 60 cents or $10 in-store credit to make you feel stupid because you just bought a colorful rock. What are you going to do with that? There's nothing to do with the colorful rock. Our company is based on selling rocks. Come on now. Let's use our heads. But remember, Valentine's Day is approaching, and if you don't buy your significant lover a rock, you're trash. You're trash. You buy the rock or you're trash. There's only options you have. I mean, let's just be honest. But anyway, happy Valentine's Day. Man, I love these rocks. It's your boy, 115 Dreams. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Peace.